So hello everyone, I am here to discuss you what is product rule. So the general formula of product rule is d over dx of f of x times g of x, which is nadiderive siya as f of x d over dx g of x plus the g of x d over dx f of x. So para madali din siyang maalala, gagawin natin yung udv plus vdu, which is yung f of x is u and yung g of x is the v, and g ay u and v. So ito yung tinatawag na udv plus vdu. So for example, may problem tayo na y is equal to 3x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 5x plus 2. So, gagamitin natin yung udv plus vdu para ma-derive din siya. So, y prime is equal to 3x squared minus 1 d over dx. Yung g of x natin is x squared plus 5x plus 2, and then plus yung vdu. So x squared plus 5x plus 2 d over dx 3x squared minus 1. So i-derive natin siya, 3x squared minus 1. So yung derivation ng x squared plus 5x plus 2 is ibababa natin siyang yung 2, which is magiging 2x, and then yung 5, since x lang siya, magiging 5 times 1 lang yan, so 5 yung sagot. So yung constant natin dito 2, magiging 0 lang yan siya. So plus natin ito naman, x squared plus 5x plus 2, and then yung derivation ng 3x squared minus 1 is gamit FOIL method. So 3x times 2x magiging 6x cubed, and then yung 3x squared times 5 magiging 15x squared, so plus 15x squared. So negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x, and then negative 1 times 5, negative 5, plus ito naman x squared plus 6x naging 6x cubed, and 5x times 6x 30x squared, plus, and then 2 times 6x magiging 12x, and then yung i-add din siya sa similar niya, which is 6x, itong 6x cube same siya, so i-add natin siya, magiging 12x cube. Then yung 15x squared is same sa 30x squared, so add natin siya, 45x squared. Then yung 2x tsaka 12x magiging plus 10x. Then wala nang iba, so negative 5 na lang. So ito na yung sagot natin.